Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to integrate CloseBot with Gohighlevel. Connecting these platforms helps us automate Canvas conversations, capture leads instantly, and sync data directly into our CRM for better follow-up and automations. Let's get started. In the Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to the App Marketplace, which is on the lower left side of the page. Once we see it, we click it. Here, we search for CloseBot. Just press Enter after typing. Now we can see it here. Let's click CloseBot and click Install. Allow and install it. A pop-up window appears where we can log in or create an account on CloseBot. Here, we need to create a new account or log in if we already have one. To start, we can sign up for free and create an account. We just sign up with Google to make it simple. Next, choose an email. Then, click Continue for verification. Now, we are in the Setup section. We choose Gohighlevel, then just Connect. Create a source and select Others, because the source is Gohighlevel. Click Done. Almost finished. Let's go back to our CloseBot dashboard. It's now connecting. Just click Refresh. Now, we go to our apps. Let's go back to our dashboard. Click the apps. Then, click Installed Apps. As we can see, we are now connected with CloseBot. We can now use this in our conversations and contacts, so the phone can integrate with CloseBot. With Gohighlevel, this setup helps us streamline communication, improve response times, and increase our conversions.